I welcome you back to this episode. On this episode, I'll show you how you can register Kucoin online, how you can register on the app, how you can get a Kucoin account. A Kucoin account is a crypto walleting account that helps you to store and trade cryptos online. So let's go into today's video. So I'll show you step by step how you can download and register on Kucoin and verify your Kucoin account. So let's go. So after you go to Play Store, Apple Store, or Play Store to download your Kucoin app. So I'm going to my Apple Store to download my Kucoin app. I input the Kucoin. So you have to input the Kucoin. So after I input Kucoin, it's bring out. So you click on install. So or get. So you input on get. So after I input get, I've already get. So you click on open. So you can log into the app and complete your registration and create an account with Kucoin. So after that, you can get account with them by email or your phone number, the one you use to go for. You can register with your phone number, you can register with your email. So after I input my phone number, so I create account. So after then, you make sure you input your phone number which you can remember and is already active, because they will send code to the phone number you used to register with them. So they need to send the code. So it's the code that will verify that you are not a robot. It's the code that will verify you that you are not a robot. So you wait some minutes before the code opens you. So the code has dropped, and you make sure you input the code. So after you input the code, it brings create your lesson. So just watch the video step by step. Do not skip, do not rush. Just watch the video step by step and see how I'm open my Kucoin account in a very easy way. So if they don't send code, you can click on the resend code, so you can get your code as soon as possible, because this thing takes time before it send the code. So you have to click on resend. So within 2 to 3 minutes, the code will be sent to you in your which. So I've received the code after some minutes, so I need to input the code so I can complete my verification on this Kucoin app. So you have to set password for this account. Password is very important. A unique password is very important, because that will keep you safe from any harmful things or any users that you don't have. They're giving you a security for your wallet, for your address, so you can be safe. Just make sure you use a very strong password for you to be safe on Kucoin. So make sure you have to use a strong password which cannot be guessed by your friends or family for your security purpose. So the next step is showing you how you can input touch ID, how you can add touch ID to your account. So just print touch ID, screens, verify your hand, and then your touch ID is set. So you need to verify your account for you to keep using this. So you click on this get verified. So as you can see, it only takes 3 to 5 minutes to verify your account compared to unlock, deposit and trading process. So it takes 3 to 5 minutes. That's what you need, 3 to 5 minutes. So if you are from Nigeria, it's already there. So if you are not from Nigeria, you click. If you are from Nigeria, no need for you to change the country. So click the country you are from, your country. So if you are from Germany, click Germany. If you are from US, click US. Just click your country. So I'm from Nigeria. I need to select Nigeria for me to verify my account. So every Nigerian must have a BVN before you can open an account. So you input your BVN number and you get verified within 2 to 3 minutes. That's very simple to verify. So I input wrong BVN though, because I've already have an account with them. They can't verify my account. They don't verify 2 accounts with 1 BVN. So that's how I have to use wrong BVN. So the next step is just to show you how you can convert, transfer, and make some tasks and complete some tasks on Kucoin. So if you love this video, make sure you stay tuned to it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and make sure you stay tuned to next video I'll be dropping on my channel. Just make sure you stay tuned. So because I'll be dropping the functions and how you can use Kucoin perfectly without anybody, just to use it with yourself. So if you love the video, make sure you subscribe, share, like, and share to your family and friends. Most importantly, make sure you share to your family and friends So anything you need to know about this app, I've explained it very easily. I've explained it in total. So if you need anything, just make sure you contact me in the comment section, or you message me up on my WhatsApp or Telegram. I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos.